In this second screencast we will talk about creating the records of our database. These records actually correspond to the records in our reserves table. So as you can see here, we first output the call parameters for call quality 1 group, for quality 2, quality 3, quality 4, quality 5 and quality 6, and we also need to create columns for different types of burden. Not to forget, we are creating two more items, one to store the mining direction value and one to store a selection parameter. To do that, to create this, we need to go to schedule setup, we go to block records, okay, we don't have any records yet, so we go to insert and we say that we want to select a qualifier group for the call, so we select quality and we say add items for all qualifiers in this group. Also we have base types, so we would scroll through all the base types and we don't need this burden volume and we don't need the total volume to be output for the call quality groups. So we just need the first 8 base types and we hit insert items. So we now have these items inserted. Now we click on the next row and we hit insert again. We go to litho types now, add items for all qualifiers in the group, but now we won't need anything related to the call and we won't need the total volume either. So we just leave one bvol parameter here and we hit insert items. So the objects are created in a little bit different order, but no problem. Now we will need to create 2 more items and we will do it manually. So I select the rminedir, copy, paste. I can type mining direction, as description, and not to forget to say numeric. Here I type r underscore select and that would be the selection index. Also not to forget numeric. We don't need any base types here, so we are done with this form. So now you can hit OK or apply, and after that this form will be saved into the database. To check whether it is saved for database or not, we go to schedule setup, information, list records. We need to select the row from drop down list and you should have all your record columns created here. So that's for the call quality 1, that's for further on for call quality 2, call quality 3, call quality 4, and you need to be able to compare it with the Excel. So yeah, here call quality 5, 6, and after that you have a group for burden types, and you have finally the air mining gear and air select. So this is about creating the columns in the raw table database. The next step we need to do is to create our hierarchy. Before we go to hierarchy, we also would like to create the extended records. We will talk about it in the next screencast.